This is Piiskop Kalmer here. It's the 27th of February in the year 2021. And the version of my Shotcut is 21.01.29. You also want to know what is the version of my operating system. Here it is, Ubuntu 2010. What's the problem? As you see, my Shotcut is open. It crashed. It crashed while a proxy task was going on, or actually it wasn't going on. I had two input files, and Shotcut had finished rendering the proxy for the first file. It just showed 100%, and then my whole computer hung for like 5 minutes. After that, Shotcut crashed, and now I reopened Shotcut, and I want you to see what happens if I click the name of the file of my last project that was about to be edited while the crash happened. I want to recover. Yes. Both videos last more than 3 hours. I can also show here they are 4.4 gigabytes and 1.6 gigabytes. And jobs, I'm not sure whether there are some jobs listed or not. Of course, nothing is here, but here is the folder proxies. And here you see that the first proxy is ready and second is pending. It was pending before the crash happened. But now there is no job at all. It's like Steve Jobs gone. No more proxy jobs. And here is this first file. It shows the original, not the proxy. It didn't replace it by proxy, although here it says proxy is on. Please repair the software. Oh, one more thing. Maybe you are interested in a log file. However, Shotcut is frozen. I can't do anything here. It's probably loading the files. So we wait. How long should we wait? It didn't last so long the first time. I dragged the file to the timeline. Maybe it's slow because of so many splits I made meanwhile. Now everything. The whole computer was frozen for a while. And here Shotcut is still frozen. I can use other applications. I can go back into Shotcut, but nothing happens here. I can't do anything here. I can only enjoy the view of or at Shotcut. But alone enjoying a view at Shotcut doesn't satisfy me. I am waiting, and you are waiting with me because you made this software, right? And it's not in the beta stage. Oh, computer is so not code. So what the hell is going on here? Can the project open or not? Can this recording survive the freeze? I don't know. Other apps, oh no. The whole computer anymore. Nothing. Sometimes it's 20 o'clock 42 minutes and Shotcut crashed again. I couldn't restore the project that I was editing during the last hour. Isn't it frustrating? It's still there. My changes are somewhere, but Shotcut can't open the file. It just lets me wait and wait and wait. Shall I try again? Shall we play a game? Okay. I give another shot to Shotcut. I want to see whether this problem can be repeated. I click the file name of my recent project and I want it to be recovered because I haven't clicked the save button at all. So all my work must be in the recovery file. So now it loaded something. Can I use it? I don't think so. Shotcut seems to be frozen again. I am moving my mouse cursor so that you can see that sometimes some buttons will be highlighted, but not anymore. You see if the cursor has been changed. If it crashes once again, I stop this recording and you can start watching this recording. It's a long recording. I hope you enjoy it. Because I really don't enjoy living the situation through. This is a learning time, but what do I learn from this? Shotcut is not suitable for files above something. It should still be in the beta phase, like the whole. Been Oh, and it crashed. So I finish now this recording. You saw that this project couldn't be restored. I couldn't even show you the log file. Anyway, read the report in the forum and tell me where I can find the log about Shotcut. Why did it crash?